Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this smoky orange eye look. I call it a vibrant smoky eye. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look. So for today's look, you guys, I'm just going to be focusing on the eyes for this look. If you guys want to see how I do my foundation routine, highlight, contour, blush, and all that kind of stuff, please feel free to check out any of my other videos on my channel. Nothing really has changed that much, maybe a few products, but you guys can check that out below. I want to say hello to my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, you guys, to start off this look, as you can see, I have already primed my eyelids, and when doing a vibrant eye color, you want to start off with something as close to white or a very white eye primer. So for this vibrant smoky eye, I used Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC to prime my lids. And I also set it with Vacate Everyday, I believe it's Ciate London Coconut Setting Powder. First palette that I'm going to start off with is the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. So first we're going to start off with Lunar Eclipse in the crease as my transition color. And then I'm going to go in with Storm Dust. For blending, I'm going to be using my Smith 247 brush. Just going to start off here in the crease. Okay, so next then I'm going to go in with Storm Dust. And I'm going to deepen my eye crease. Now I'm going to go in with a yellow, and the yellow that I'm going to be using is from the James Charles palette. It is this vibrant, pretty yellow right here. I'm going to use that same brush because I want to blend. Of course, you want to keep the orange and you want to keep the yellow blended together. And you want this to be packed on. Okay. So after tons and tons and tons of blending, you want your eye to look something like this. Then we're going to take this very bright orange right here. I don't know why it looks yellow on the camera, but it looks kind of yellow, but this is a very bright orange, and this is called 518. So we're going to take this and put this all right here on the center of the lid where you have the white areas left. I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to push that on. So we want it to look something like that. Doesn't have to be neat because, like I said, we're not done with the look just yet. And then I want to go back because I'm not trying to create like a cut crease look. Just want to kind of do like a vibrant smoky orange look, but I want to create the smoky with various ranges of different oranges. So I'm going to go back in with Storm Dust, and I'm going to blend in my edges with that. I'm going to add lashes, liner, and mascara. And then just for my eyeliner, I'm just going to do a thin black line. I'm not going to do a wing or anything like that, because I want the focus to be the colors and, you know, the eye look. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, I have completed my eyes. I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera, my foundation, concealer, highlighting, contour, all that stuff, blush, lips. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, stay tuned. I do have more content on the way. Also, too, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment, like, and share as well. I'll do comment back. So I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.